Hi there, we're going to continue looking at short division for year 3 and 4, and I'm going to look at 872 divided by 4, and this is the abstract method that I'm going to show you on the board here. So we've got 872 divided by 4. I made my little sort of bust up, if you like. I think for this it's quite useful to see how it looks alongside the concrete apparatus. So I'm just going to make 800 here with my hundreds here. Again, I'm going to divide them by 4, so I'm going to put them into 4 rows, just like I did in the concrete video. Okay, so there's my 800, and then I'm going to make my 70 with my pasta. So again, I'm putting them in groups of 4, and as you can see here, I can't quite share them out equally, so there's going to be a bit of exchanging to go on. And there I've got the same issue with the ones. I've only got 2 ones and I can't share them out equally. So with the abstract method here, you see the common mistake of children thinking, how many 4s are there in 8? But of course that 8 is not an 8, really it's 800, and there's loads of 4s in 800. But that's not really what's going on here. What we're actually saying is we have 800 or 800s. How many times can I share them equally between the 4? And as you can see here, I've put 2 and 2 and 2 and 2. So I've got 200, 400, 600, 800. So each of those 4 people, if you like, has got 200 each. Here, as we move on to the tens column, remember that the children will make that mistake of saying how many 4s are there in 7, but of course it's how many 4s are there in 70. So we need to think about our 10s here now, and how many times have I shared those 10s equally between 4. Okay, and as you can see in the tens column, I can only share them once because I can't quite make this up to share equally. So I'm going to have to exchange these in a moment. I'll just take them away for a moment so that you can see that how many 4s are there in 70. It's not 1, although it looks like there's 1. It's 1 in the tens column because I have equally shared that 70 out 4 times, 4 lots of 10, and I had 30 left over. Okay, so what I would do now in a concrete method is that I would move that 30 across, and I can do that right now. And I'll just move the 30 across in the abstract form, and that's how you do it. Let's count up 30 beads. There's 5, there's 10, there's 5, another 10, so that's 20, 5, and then 10. So that's 30 more beans. And now if in the concrete apparatus, if I share them out now, I have 32, and I'm going to share them between 4. Again, just like I did before, putting them into rows of 4. There we go. Keep sharing them out. And in abstract form, the children should know their times tables and how many 4s there are in 32. But I'm just going to show you what it looks like with the beans. So how many lots of 4 have we got? We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many 4s are there in 32? 8. So again, I would expect the children to know this because their times tables knowledge in the abstract form, but I've just shown you what it would look like with the concrete apparatus as well.